we get the thumbs up from race director here. We got the thumbs up. Pilots, go ahead and arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. And we're off to the races. I'm watching 3 screens of video right now. I Heart Scully. It looks to be Soren there, and it looks to be Mead. One of them striking the gate. I'm not exactly sure who that was. I think that was Soren. So I think Engineer, I Heart Scully, and Mead are up. Looks like 3 of them going up. Terminator part of our track. There's Mead's vision. You guys are watching it right now. He's in a little bit of a battle there for the 1. I think that's Engineer just ahead of him right there. They go into the split S section. Mead trying to keep him in his tail. This is there's guy's second back out here on the track.
I'll tell you, Mead's looking really smooth through the back side of the track. They're really tight going into the back and forth sections in the low side, but watch how both pilots are smooth enough through these vertical transitions to keep the same distance going into the final straight.
Right, and that was quick for Mead and Engineer. Engineer, I don't think, actually finished a practice battery, so I think he's out here just ripping it. He has nothing to lose, and it looks like there's just 2 pilots remaining in the air, so if you guys can hear me, if you are flying, you are moving on in our winner's bracket right now.
I'll tell you, it's going to be a good race between the 2. Maybe some pride comes out for 1 and 2. I don't think this race is over yet. Both Engineer and Mead have a lot of pride on the line here to take 1 and 2. We'll see who takes it.
Looks like Engineer took the win on that one, followed closely behind by Mead. There's a good sigh of relief for both of them right now. They both finished 1 and 2, which means they're moving on in our winner's bracket. Unfortunately, one of our boys, it looked like Fat Kid FPV. What do you think happened there? I only saw him on the top right-hand side of our screen. I didn't actually see him go down.
Who knows? You know, this is a double elimination bracket, so obviously we have room for 1 mistake in there. Unfortunately, he took his early, but Mead and Engineer in those last few laps were looking really smooth on the track and accurate with their inputs. I think this is going to be some good battling going on between the later brackets.
Absolutely, and we were talking, I want to just briefly talk about Mead because he still isn't one of those, I guess, highly respected racing pilots, but I've seen him do well on MultiGP qualifier tracks. We've seen him do excellent out there yesterday, consistent, fast, 16-second laps on our qualifier track. Now we're out here racing, and he just took a close second behind Engineer, who's also a very fast, well-respected pilot. What are your predictions for Mead right here? I want to see him make